1000W high-speed brushless motor. The 1000W brushless motor with a maximum torque of 70 Nm combined with an intelligent controller produces a maximum speed of 25 km/h and a climbing capacity of 30 degrees. Removable dual battery. Dual 19.2R and 10R removable lithium battery powers the Engwe X26 for up to 100 km range in pure electric mode, 150 km range in electric assist mode on a full charge. Triple suspension system. Engwe X26 is equipped with a triple shock absorber system extending from its front hydraulic shock absorber and medium mechanical shock to the rear pneumatic shock, which excels the ordinary. Shimano 8-speed gearing. With Shimano 8-speed gears, the Engwe X26 can use less effort when going uphill and avoid the danger of driving too fast when going downhill, flexibly adjust the vehicle speed or respond to different road conditions. 26 by 4.0 inch fat tires. Large motorcycle tires provide maximum contact for optimal traction, stability and slip resistance, keeping you safe and stable in sandy terrain, muddy terrain or even snowy weather. And it also allows you to enjoy your beach time.